Hi everyone, Mr. H here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Aleks 2-1 solve equation with rational coefficient. Okay, we have problem 1, 7 over 3x equal to 21. So 7 over 3x equal to 21. So as we learned in class, the first step you're going to do is draw the line, right? Your variable is x. The operation here is 7 divided by 3. Since it's division, we have to do the opposite of division. You're going to multiply, sorry about that, you're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. Okay, the reason you multiply by 3 so that you can cross out the denominator. You will have 7x equal to 21 times 3 is 63. Okay, and now next step to get x by itself, you're going to do is divide by 7 on both sides. Because 7x side by side mean they multiply, so you do the opposite, it's divide. Then 7 and 7 cancel each other out. Leave you x equal to 63 divided by 7 is 9. So x equal to 9. Alright, I hope that this example can help you do your problem on your screen. If you need extra help, go ahead click on the button on the right, top right. You have, I think, the solution, the example. One of those two, you can click on that for more solution. Otherwise, stay with me for the next example, problem 2. We have 56 equal to 8 over 7 u. Alright, so as we see that, first draw the line, and we see that the operation here is dividing, 8 divided by 7, so you're going to do is multiply by 7 on both sides. For the same reason, because 7 at the denominator, you multiply 7, you can cancel out both 7. That will leave us with 8u. Okay, 7 times 56, 42, remember 2, 4, 7 times 5 is 35 with 4 is 392. Okay, next step we're going to do is divide by 8 on both sides so that u by itself, right, this cancel out, so u equal to 39 divided by 8 will give me about 4. That will give you 32. 39 minus 2. 39 minus 2 is 7. 72 divided by 8 is gonna be 9. Okay. You can use the calculator to do the calculation for you. Now we're heading to problem 3. Okay. If you need more time to copy it down or look through the solution, go ahead, pause the video. Okay, problem 3, negative 5 over 7, y equal to negative 10. Alright, to solve for this one, first draw the line. Okay, the operation here is divide by 7, so you're going to do the opposite by multiply 7 on both sides. So as you see that this kind of problem, we are always heading to the division problem, get rid of the denominator first by multiply whatever at the bottom. Okay, then 7 cancel each other out, give you negative 5y equal to negative 70. And then to get rid of negative 5 so that you can isolate the y, you're going to divide by negative 5 on both sides. Y equal to negative over negative is positive. 70 divided by 5 will give you 14. So y equal to 14 is our final answer. Okay, we have 3 similar examples. Kind of the concepts stay the same. I hope that is clear up for you, all the steps. If you want, you can try this one by yourself. You can pause the video, try number 4 before you see the solution. Okay, number 4, negative 16 equal to negative 4 over 3 w. Okay, the first draw the line. guess what my first step gonna be? Right, we're heading to the division, so you're gonna do is multiply 3 on both sides. Why do we have to multiply 3 on both sides? So that you can cancel out the denominator, right? So negative 4w equal to 3 times 16, 3 times 6, 18, remember 1, 3 times 1 is 3, add 1 is 4, so it's negative 48. Guess what my next step gonna be? Negative 4w means negative 4 times w. You have to do is divide by negative 4. Okay, negative over negative is positive. Positive. 4 and 4 cancel each other out. Leave you with w by itself. Mean that we just isolate the w. And on this side, you have 48 divided by 4 will give you 12. W equal to 12 is the final answer. Alright, that is the example for the first 4 problems. If you get stuck, if it doesn't help, hopefully it's helped, but you still have extra option that click on the solution and example on your screen. Or you can also come for tuning hour. I'm here at 1:10 to 2:30 every day except Monday. Okay, please send me an email, a text message to plan it ahead of time so I will know who you are and like do technology prep so that we have something to work on. Okay, so you don't waste your time to wait for me to get things done. All right, number 5. In a recent year, 32.7% of all registered doctors are female. Okay, if there were 47,400 female registered doctors that year, what was the total number of registered doctors? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay, it feels like you're gonna have a decimal number, so I'm gonna need a calculator. Give me 1 second. Alright, so first, I'm gonna highlight the important information. In the recent year, it's 32.7% of all registered nurse, so were female. Okay, if there was 47,400 female registered doctor that year, what is the total number of registered doctor? All right. So the keyword here is of. That's telling you something about multiplying. Right? That is multiplication. 32.7% of all registered doctor. We don't know how many registered doctor in that year. So that will be X were female. So 32.7% of this amount of doctor are female, and the female doctor was 47,400, so equal to 47,400. Okay, so now we're gonna solve this equation. First of all, don't ignore the percent. The percent there telling you that you have to divide it by 100 to turn a percent to decimal number. You have to do is move the decimal point twice to the front. This number is actually 0.327. X equal to 47,400. Then you can solve for X by divide 0.327 on both sides. So that will give you X equal to 47,400 divided by 0.327. That will give you 144,954.1284. All right, but they say round it nearest whole number, right? So since we talk about people here, so X amount will be 144,954 registered doctor. Alright, we're heading to problem 6. A book sold 39,900 copies in its first month of release. Suppose this represents 79% of the number of the copies sold to date. How many copies have been sold to date? Round your answer to a nearest whole number. So they are selling, they sold 39,900 copy in the first month. Suppose that represents 7.9% of the number of copies sold to date. How many copies have been sold to date? Alright, so 7.9%, I'm sorry, I do this video in the morning. I guess I'm still like sleepy. Equal to 39,900. Right, so first we're going to draw the line. The percent, again, do not ignore the percent. You have to move the decimal point twice forward. So that will be 0.079x equal to 39,900. Then we're going to do is divide 0.079 on both sides. Okay, so that x by itself. So x equal to 39,900 divided by 0.079. That will give me 563.29. And we round it to the whole number. So that will be 505,063 copy have been sold to date. Problem 7. The yearbook club has a meeting. The meeting has 20 people, which is 4/5 of the club. How many people are in the club? So we have the meeting has 20 people, and that represent 4/5 of the club. How many people in the club? Alright, so we have 4/5. 4/5 of is multiplied. The club is the amount of people that we don't know how many of them yet. But we know that 20 of them present on the meeting. Alright, so we're going to solve this like usual. First, you're going to get rid of the denominator by multiply by 5 on both sides. That's allowed us to cross out the denominator. So 4x equal to 60. Then our next step, I'm going to rewrite this over here. We're going to divide by, 20 times 5 is 100. Then we're going to do is divide both sides by 4. So that will give you x equal to 25. So that tells you that there's 25 people in the group. Or in the, they use club, in the club. Alright, problem 8. Diane needs to memorize word in vocabulary list for German class. She memorized 30 of the words, which is 2/3 of the list. How many words are on the list? So we have 2/3 of the list. That will be 2/3 times x equal to, she memorized 30 of them. So equal to 30. Okay, so we're going to solve that like usual. So we'll start with the division. You're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. That cancel out the denominator. So 2x equal to 900. Excuse me. Then we're going to do is divide by 2 on both sides. So x equal to 45. So there are 45 words are on the list. That's it. Alright, thank you everyone for watching, and see you on the next video.